Unlocking the meaning of dive depth. Hello, language adventurers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a plunge into the depths of English and unravel the meaning behind the phrase, dive depth. Whether you're learning English for business, travel, or pleasure, understanding phrases like this one can enhance your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. When we break down the phrase, dive depth, we're dealing with two words, dive and depth. A dive is the act of jumping headfirst into water or moving downwards quickly. Depth, on the other hand, refers to the distance from the surface down to the bottom of something, like water or another substance. In a literal sense, dive depth simply means how deep someone or something goes into the water while diving. It's a term often used in swimming, snorkeling, or scuba diving. Now, let's explore beyond the literal sense. Figuratively speaking, dive depth can mean how deeply someone explores a topic or issue. It's about the level of detail and commitment to understanding or engaging with something complex. For example, when talking about research, someone might say, "We need to determine the dive depth of our study to ensure it covers all necessary points." Here, dive depth is synonymous with thoroughness or extensiveness. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few sentences that show how dive depth can be used both literally and figuratively. In free diving, measuring your dive depth is crucial for safety reasons. The documentary only scratched the surface and didn't have the dive depth I was hoping for. When you're learning a new language, your dive depth into its culture can make a big difference in your fluency. Understanding dive depth can be especially beneficial in different contexts, such as academic learning, professional research, or personal development. It's a versatile phrase that reflects both quantity and quality of an experience or knowledge. And that's a wrap on dive depth. Remember, whether you're diving into water or diving into new knowledge, the depth you reach can make all the difference. I hope this video helps you understand and use dive depth in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and stay curious. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next English adventure. Happy learning!